welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming my hair care routine today for two reasons. The first is because one of my subscribers who watches all my videos and takes out time to comment on my videos has requested for this, and I'm so grateful. It feels unreal that somebody is so sweet and takes out time to write such lovely comments. So thank you so much for engaging on my videos. And the second reason I'm making a hair care routine now is because I feel like I finally have a routine. It is quite basic, I must tell you guys that in advance, but for the longest time I didn't have a routine, hair care routine. I would just like wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, but now I feel like I've been taking care of my hair and all the products have been working really well for me. So a little bit about my hair before we get into the products and how I use them is my hair is naturally wavy. I haven't put any heat or I've used any tools to it. I just wanted you to see my natural hair, how it is after washing it. The concerns I have with my hair is that I have dandruff and hair fall. Also, I've never chemically treated my hair, never colored my hair, so this is pretty much my virgin hair. And that's it, I think. I have a straight cut haircut if you're wondering if it's not too obvious. So now let's get on to the products that I use. The first product that I have is a hair treatment which my dermatologist recommended to me for my dandruff issues. Now I've had this problem for ages and I've tried many products which did not suit me. So now that I've found this product, I feel really relieved, but it has come after a lot of trial and error. So I definitely recommend you guys, if you don't find a thing that suits you, don't get disheartened, have patience in skincare and hair care even more so. One product cannot suit everybody, so you have to figure out what suits you the best. Now this is a prescription drug, so I don't feel entirely comfortable giving you the name, but I'm sure if you go to your dermatologist, they can guide you pretty well. So how you use this product is basically you damp your hair and massage it in really well on your scalp, let it stay overnight, and then the next day you wash it with your shampoo and your conditioner. This product has definitely helped me get rid of my dandruff. It has to be used constantly to see the result. Another thing that I noticed after using this product was I got rid of a lot of tiny bumps on my forehead, which was a result of all the dandruff which was clogging my pores. So that is a great plus. And the next hair treatment that I've been really enjoying using is hair oil. Now I know we live in India, everybody uses hair oil and shampoo is such a big part of our culture, but while growing up I just stopped using hair oil. Now I've gotten back into it and I'm so glad that I have. Now this hair oil is from Amrutam. I bought a set of 3 minis and it was one of the minis. By the way, a great way to try new products is to buy minis and see if it works for you or not. It saves a lot of money. So out of the 3 minis, which consisted of a shampoo, hair oil and hair mask, hair oil worked the best for me and I'm definitely going to buy a bigger bottle of it. It is full of beautiful, amazing ingredients and I love using it. Usually I put it on the night before I wash my hair, or if I don't have enough time, I just put it a few hours before I wash my hair, but I just give it enough time to do its magic. I think hair fall cannot be treated by using just one product. It's a problem which has so many factors, like it can be due to stress, hormones, genes, lifestyle. There is a lot of things to be considered, but I feel like these two products have definitely helped over time to just make my hair more healthy, and which has also resulted in new hair growth. So I really like these hair treatments that I used before my shampoo and conditioner. Now my shampoo and conditioner is pretty basic. I use L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, and the combination of these two have really worked for me. Actually, I haven't experimented a lot with shampoos, so if you guys know any good shampoo, please let me know in the comments. I would love to try it, and also it will be great for other people who are looking for a good shampoo. So make sure to comment and let me know. So after washing my hair, I let my hair air dry 99% of the time. I've embraced my natural hair. Yes, it has a little bit of frizz, but who doesn't? It has a wave. I don't care. It's okay. As long as my hair is healthy, I'm happy with it. I I try and not use a lot of heat on my hair because I feel that really damages your hair. Once in a while, I do get a blow dry when I have a special occasion, but that's like what, a few times a year. But I do love a good blow dry. It just makes you feel so put together and so fancy. I love it, but I try and not put my hair through a lot of heat. Oh, one serum I do use after I wash my hair and my hair is all dried is this cream, which I actually got from Australia a few years ago, and you really need a pea-sized amount, and it helps to reduce the frizz, and it also has UV protection for hair. I did not know that existed. You guys know I love sunscreens. I wear sunscreen every day, even if I'm staying at home. And when I saw this product, sunscreen for your hair, I was like, give it to me. I need it. It really helps me get rid of frizz, like I mentioned before, and UV protection for hair. Chef's kiss. I haven't been able to find a similar product in India, which sucks. If I do, I'm gonna make sure that you guys know about it. The last but not the least is the hairspray, which is a must. If you're using any tools on your hair, you must use a heat protecting spray. The one I use is on the screen. I'll put it in, and it's lasted me so long, obviously because I don't use it much. But whenever I'm using my straightener at home, I make sure to use this hairspray generously over my hair. Just make sure your hair is protected and it's not burnt off. So that is it, guys. That was like my very small hair care routine. Let me know what is your favorite hair care product. I would love to know that. It's fascinating to me what everybody's holy grail products are. Yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, all the products mentioned will be linked in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to hitting 600, which is insane. So please help me reach 600 soon. Thank you so much if you subscribed to my channel already. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. I can say thank you all day. That's okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.